Today's learning target for Chapter 11 is I can identify pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. The only materials you'll need for this video is your whiteboard and marker. Or if you don't have that, you can use paper and pencil. So who is pictured on the penny? Does anybody know which famous president this is? It is Abraham Lincoln. He was our 16th president. You see that? What is on the back of a penny? If you look really closely, you can see that this is a monument. It's called the Lincoln Memorial. And this is located in Washington, D.C. And if you look really closely at a penny, you can see Abraham Lincoln sitting inside the Lincoln Memorial. There he is in real life in the monument. And if you want to see this up closer, this is what it looks like. You can see how huge this monument is. And we have some new pennies that were made starting in 2019. And this is what the back of those pennies looks like. So it doesn't have that Lincoln Memorial on it anymore. It has a shield on it. Who is pictured on the nickel? This is a nickel, and this is another president. This president was our third president, and his name is Thomas Jefferson. On the back of the nickel, there's a building, and the building is called the Monticello. And the Monticello was a large home that Thomas Jefferson designed and built for himself. Can you imagine living in that house? That'd be pretty cool. Now, we also have a lot of new nickels, and this is what the new nickels look like. You can see the front of them. There's 3 different ones. They're all of Thomas Jefferson, but they look a little bit different. This one just has part of his face, and then this one has him looking forward, versus the older ones have him looking towards the side. And then you can see the different backs of them have different things. So those are what the nickels look like. And they're a little bit bigger than a penny. Now, this is a dime. Who is this on the dime? This is another famous president. His name is Franklin Roosevelt, and he was the 32nd president. On the back of the dime, you see 3 things. This first thing on the left is an olive branch. In the middle is a torch, and on the right side is an oak branch. And here's our quarter, the biggest coin that we have, that we will be learning about, actually. There are some other bigger ones, but the biggest one we'll learn about is the quarter. And this is a picture of George Washington, who was our first president. On the back of the quarter, you see an eagle. And that eagle is from the presidential coat of arms. That's how they got that. There you see the eagle looks pretty similar with its wings all spread out. And this is what the state quarters look like. Here's our Minnesota state quarter. See how it has a loon on it? And we also have some national parks quarters. So every state has a quarter, and there are a lot of national parks quarters now too. So let's see how much you remember. Take out your whiteboard and see if you can write the name of this coin. Did you guess dime? You're right, it is a dime. What's this one? It's a penny. Next one. If you guess nickel, you're right. What's this one? It is a quarter. Good job. What's this one? It's a penny. Next. Did you say quarter? You're right. Did you say nickel? Awesome. What's this one? It is a dime. Nice. Very good. That's all.